Hey everyone, welcome to week 15. This is the next to the last week. We only have 2 more weeks left of the semester, and we're in our final stretch, and let's get right into it. Here's what you're going to do. There's not a lot new, not as far as the intensity of work and the amount of work, not so much this week or next week. It's very light, and the intention of that is to allow you time to look back over, catch up, and bring your points up by doing things that maybe you haven't up to this point. Okay, what you are going to do is we have a great video on Day of the Dead, and you can view the video and simultaneously take the quiz, and that's worth 32 points. It's a pretty hefty amount of points for watching a video and answering the questions as they are asked. And that's going to prime you for the next assignment this week, and really the only assignment is to complete your R&D, which is to research Day of the Dead altars. And what are they composed of? And, you know, what do those things symbolize and all that kind of stuff, all right? So the video and taking the quiz will give you a bunch of points, but it will also help you understand what you're researching, and you'll go online and do a little research and find some altars and provide that information. Spoiler alert, your final creative assignment in here, the last week of class next week, will be to create an altar, and that'll be outlined for you. You'll create your own Day of the Dead altar relevant to your life. So, just so you know, so this research is kind of heading in a direction. All right, now the ritual vases were due Sunday night, but that is extended. That was a due date because if you want it to be bisque fired in time to have it glaze fired, then you need to bring it in Monday or Tuesday this week. Monday or Tuesday, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. is when I'll be in the studio. Those 2 days, Monday, Tuesday. So if you bring it in, it'll be bisque fired in time that I can glaze it for you, or you can glaze it yourself. So, but if you have not finished your ritual vase, don't panic. It's fine. And you can turn it in and get full points for it. I'm not going to count it down if you turn it in anytime between now and next Sunday also, okay? So, I just wanted to put that deadline there because it's important that most people want to have their work bisque fired and glaze fired by the time they're done. With that said, let me just throw this out there. Anything you make this semester that you don't complete, but you would like to complete it or glaze it, you can bring it back in the future and just get in contact with me, and hopefully I'll be in the studio again with students, and we'll glaze things for you, or we'll fire things for you, and we'll show you how to glaze them then. So anyways, there's that option. All right. So if you have not completed your ritual vase or not responded to others' rituals vase, do that Tuesday. Although, you know, it's not required for you to come to the studio at all. It's not required to have your work fired, but most people want to, so that's the deal. What are you going to do with your extra time? Because I think there is extra time. There's not a lot being asked of you this week or next week. It is my intention in the designing it this way is that you would be able to go back and complete any missed assignments that you haven't quite got to, or you didn't get that great of points on. That you can bring your points up that way. That's the first thing. Go back, and for some people there's really simple stuff like a video, which would take 10 minutes to watch a video and you get 15 points for it. Just answer a few questions. There's 3 of them like that, and there's a few people that haven't done that. I'm like, why wouldn't you do that? It's easy. Anyways, you can go back anywhere through the semester and you can complete some assignments that you have not to bring your points up. Secondly, I want you to consider looking at your points and all the rest of it, if extra credit options, many of which have been discussed throughout this semester, that are open to you. See you soon. Bye.